Yeah. Hi.
Yes.
Every time it's like
Yeah.
yeah.
And it's really just a social evening, very informal, just to be together as a team. You know, teamwork is very important, and so enjoy the evening and have good food. And if you need to leave, then that's absolutely fine. But we're here till 8 o'clock. Okay, but enjoy the food and the drinks. Welcome.
አሲክስ ያው ጠዋት ተነጋግረናል። አሲክስ ማለት ያው ፋሚሊ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እቺ ምሽት አንድ ላይ ያው ራት በልተን እንድንደሰት ፈልገን ነው እናንተ እዚህ ጋብዘናችሁ። ስለዚህ ብቻ ያለ ውሃ አለ፣ ለስላሳ አለ፣ እሱን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። ከዛ ሩቅ ብትሄዱ ልጆች ምትኖሩ ስለምትችሉ መሄድ በምትፈልጉበት ሰዓት መሄድ ትችላላችሁ እና ሌሎቹም እየጠበቅን ትራፊክም ስለሆነ ጊዜ መፍጀት አንፈልግም እና ከአሁኑ ፕሮግራሙ ይጀመራል።
Hey, salam. Yeah. Well, hi. How are you? Hi. How do you know?
I don't know any more words.
Welcome. Yalbella. Asila.
카레요. This is Haile, strength and conditioning coach.
oh, good time to watch. Hello. How do you do? Nice to meet you. You go sit over there.
Okay. ጥሪያችንን አክብራችሁ እንግዶቻችንን አክብራችሁ በዚህ በአማረ መልክ ተገናኝተን እንግዶቻችንንም አስደስተን እኛም እንዲህ አንድ ላይ ተሰባስበን ራት እንድንበላ በመልካም ፈቃዳችሁ ጊዜያችሁን ሰውታችሁ መጣችሁ እዚህ ከኛ ጋር ስለሆናችሁ እጅግ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። በቀጣይም እንግዶችም ባይኖሩ እኛ እንዲሁ እየተገናኘን እንዲህም ትልቅ ሆቴል ላይ ባይሆን ሻይም እየጠጣን የበለጠ ተገናኝተን ነገሮችን የምንወያይበትና የበለጠ የምናድግበትን መስመር የምንይዝበትን ሁኔታ የምናመቻችበትን ሁኔታ እንትን እንላለን። ምክንያቱም እንዲህ ስትታዩ እንዲህ ስንታይ በጣም ነው የምናምረው። እንደ አንድ ቡድን፣ እንደ አንድ ማኔጅመንት፣ እንደ አንድ ካምፓኒ በዚህ አይነት መልኩ ተሰባስበን ጊዜ ስናሳልፍ እጅግ በጣም ጥሩ ነውና ቤተሰባዊነቱ፣ አብሮ መወያየቱ፣ አብሮ መገናኘቱ እጅግ በጣም መቀራረብንና አንድነትን ይፈጥራልና ስለነበረን ጊዜ እጅግ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። Our honored guests, thank you very much for coming and visiting us, and your support is a lot for our team, a lot for the management. We thank you for your support because we are working hard to develop new athletes also to be in podium in different competitions. We ask you to keep your support, your strong support, and we want you to visit us and to think about us when you got back to your country. Thank you very much for coming and visiting us. Thank you.
today. We know it's in the middle of the week and you've got training tomorrow morning, so we really appreciate you coming. The Moyo Sports Management does not exist without athletes. That's a fact. So the reason I'm starting with athletes is because you're very important to us. To me as an individual, to us as a management and everyone who works in the staff, but also to ASICS as a brand. The athletes are most important. They have your interests at heart. And so that's why I'm beginning by saying thank you to the athletes, because you're working hard every single week, every month to prepare for races. And we appreciate all your hard work. And when you travel abroad, you're representing yourself first, your friends and family, your teammates, your brand, your shoe company, and also the management. And so we thank you for all your hard work, and your success is noticeable. We've got people who've won many big marathons, people have been on podiums. Some of you are newer to the management and still have that ambition to be on the podium in a winning position. The second thing is to thank our guests from ASICS to come all this way from Japan. And we appreciate you, Mr. Hirota, because you have such a busy schedule that you took the time out just for these last few days to say a greeting to us, to see what we're doing in training, and to then be able to experience for your colleagues back in the office, you can say what it was like to be in Africa. So thank you for coming. Also the shoe team, you're doing such a lot of hard work. Since 221 to 225, we've seen the development of your shoes. And Takamura here is the head of the C project, which is about making sure you athletes here can put amazing technology and amazing innovation to keep pushing the boundaries of speed. So we really appreciate the shoe team. And also Yuchi and Sobaki. You've come 3, 4, 5 times now, and we see you as friends, not just business partners, you know. And we really appreciate you coming and always challenging us as a management, as athletes as well, to keep pushing harder and working to really show how, as a team, we can work for success. So, thank you for coming. Safe travels back to your country, and you're always welcome again. Thank you very much. And anyone is free to leave whenever they feel. I know that you have to travel back. So, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
የመጨረሻው መልእክት መሄድ የሚፈልግ ሰው ማንኛውም ሰው መሄድ ነፃ ነው። ኦልሬዲ ፕሮግራሙ አልቋል።